Hello viewers, if you check out my channel, you will find the full recipe of this chicken tandoori pizza. I've got 900 grams of chicken thighs. I'm cutting into small pieces. Add 3 tablespoons of olive oil in a hot pan. 1 teaspoon of ginger paste. Now add all the chicken pieces and fry for a minute. To let you know, I'm just here to show you how I made this chicken tandoori pizza topping from my previous video. One teaspoon of chili powder. 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of salt. Now keep stirring until the chicken releases its water. Make sure you cook on high flame all the way through. As you can see, the chicken has released its water. Now we're going to reduce it, and just before it reduces fully, we're going to add some tandoori spice marinade. Add 3 tablespoons of tandoori paste. Just to confirm, I'm not sponsored for any brand or any ingredients I'm using. Now cook this for another 5 minutes until the paste is all combined together. Do follow me on Facebook and Instagram to get to know me more and my daily cooking life. Check out my other recipes on my YouTube channels, and if you ever tried my recipes, please let me know in the comment box below. It's so simple and makes your pizza so tasty. You will only find out once you've tried it. You can also use this for noodles and many other recipes. Let this cool down and then keep it in the freezer. Thank you for watching my video and your support, and if you haven't subscribed yet, do subscribe and press the bell icon for notification.